Grandma, what smells so good?
It's stew. Come, have a taste.
Yay, I love your cooking.
Good boy. The tomatoes are ripening beautifully this year. It will be a good harvest.
Grandma, is it ready?
Almost, dear. Let me just taste it.
It smells so good. Grandma, I'm home.
Welcome back, dear. I was just warming dinner.
It smells wonderful.
Go wash up. Oh, I remember those days so well. We used to gather here, just like this.